Hi teens, welcome back to our Springville challenges. Library challenges, craft challenges, whatever you want to call them. My name is Stacey Lee and we're going to make lava lamps today. So this one's a lot of fun, really fast, but it's super cool. I'm going to start off with a mason jar. You can use a water bottle, a tall glass, really anything that you want to, that's clear. But for me, I'm just going to do a mason jar. You're also going to need some food coloring, some vegetable oil, and then an Alka-Seltzer tablet. And if you don't have Alka-Seltzer, salt will also work. So that's why I have this on the table. Anyway, so let's get started. We have, start off with our glass of water, which we just want to do like a fourth or so of water. And then let's add some color to it. So how about green? Let's see what that one's going to look like. So into our glass of water, I'm just going to do a few drops. We don't want to make it too dark because the lighter it is, the easier it is to see what we've created. So let's add like 3 drops of green. And then you want to fill up the rest of the glass. So whatever you have for water, you want to fill up the rest with your vegetable oil. So let's do that. Alright. So it's going to start bubbling and it's already going to look cool. There you go. That's good. And then we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tablet, break it up a little bit because you don't want to put the whole entire thing in there at once. I like to see it kind of create itself whenever you do a piece at a time. And once you drop it in, you can see how it starts to bubble and fizz, and it kind of does this whole lava lamp thing. You guys can see that okay. So watch how it kind of bubbles. You can see, yeah, I'm just gonna see it forming. I think it's super cool. It gets a bit like bigger as the Alka-Seltzer is dissolving, and then once you run out, I mean, you can put another one in. I have a little bit more. Might as well just add some more. But yeah, that's our lava lamp. Super quick, easy, really fun, kind of fun experiment to do. Yeah, let us know how you guys go. We want to see what colors you use, and you know, you can put in glasses and have the top on it, and then throw it upside down. Yeah, things like that. Anyway, that's our summer craft for today. I know it's a quick one, but put in those minutes online. We want to reach our goal for 1 million minutes. Check out some books at the library. We'll give you some more recommendations for craft books to check out. And yeah, we want to hear from you guys. We missed you. Have a good summer.